Hello everyone, this is A. Manisha. I came up with Rise Juniors who want to speak something in English. Despite being an English medium students, we are unable to speak in English. Why? Because lack of practice. Practice makes a man perfect. By practicing every day, we can speak like everyone speaks. So here I came up with a little girl Barbie. We call her Barbie. So she wants to tell something. So let's.
So good morning everyone, this is me Veera Hamsini. So I just want to tell my experience about my Kerala trip. So we went to various places in Kerala. We, we, we went to a boat house which was my favorite place. And we went to a place where we can see how the tea powders are formed. And we went to the spice garden of Kerala and the co-workers they told us about the various spices and explained us how they are used to make. So my Kerala trip was excellent. So that's all I wanted to tell. Thank you.
She spoke really well. Let's clap for her. So next, I would like to call Naveen Reddy.
Good morning everyone. First of all, I will say my name. My name is Naveen Reddy from class 9. I will study in DPSS. Today I want to tell about Sushil sir. Sushil sir, when he was study about something science or maths, that time he have study deeply and slowly. When he take more classes, one classes he will complete it, but he try to understand properly and tell about us. That's why he take 2-3 classes to one chapter. But in that way, sir once every day told you wants to do 5 things. That 5 things I will tell you. One is at morning 4:30 you have to wake up and see sunrise. Because that time we have a positive energy which we have gained. So, and another second one is forgiveness, which is we cannot easily do this because anyone told to us to do this. University teachers taught us. That time we are very aggressive. So that also we can forgiveness, because when we have forgiveness, that time they small or we are big, that is not a matter, because we have every time we have give forgiveness. And the third one is discipline means this is not a way to proper respect to everyone and say to respect everyone and discipline in a classes. That is not discipline. Discipline is that which one we have to which work we have to do every day. It is consistency. That is called discipline. So thank you. This much I will tell to you. So you also do input in your life good habits. So thank you.
Very good, Naveen. So at least he is trying to speak. So next, I would like to call Hamsika.
Hello everyone, my name is Hamsika of class 9 from St. Vincent Convent School, and today I am going to speak about education. Education is life for the students. Like without education we can't be success. We also get education from our elders and as well as from our younger ones also. Nowadays the education has been developed in so different countries and places. Education is like a process where we children get to know more about our life and our environment also. Education helps us in discipline, behavior, personality and whatnot all. Thank you.
Very good, Hamsika. So speaking English is not an overnight thing. Everyone will speak in English by practicing every day. So next, I would like to call Ganesh. Karthik, I don't know what is his name. Ganesh.
Good morning everyone. My name is Y. Satya Ganesh. I am studying 7th class and my school name is St. Louis Convent School. I am here to speak. School life. In school, we have games, and in always first period is maths. And in games, we have to play cricket, like kabaddi, like chess.
Thank you. See, I was like him when I talked English first time. I was like him. So slowly we can improve. So next I would like to call Dheeraj.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Dheeraj. I am studying in DPSS Barampur. I will tell about my topic is Sushil sir. Sushil sir is very good teacher. He was studying in school and tuition also. In school, he was telling me or any boys, keep discipline. In New Year, he has told five new things, like forgive everyone, do discipline, and wake up in the morning and don't miss the sunrise. Thank you.
So we all should follow the 5 things. Naveen and Dheeraj, I think they told about only 4 things. What is the 5th thing? I don't know. So let's talk about that later. Next, I would like to call Kritikesh.
Good morning everyone, myself Kritikesh, and today my topic is my favorite sir, Dilip sir and Sushil sir. Dilip sir and Sushil sir is like my brother, and they teaches me all the subjects like education and social science, and Dilip sir teaches me English. That's why now I am able to speak in English. And Sushil sir teaches me science and maths. And Sushil sir goes always in depth of science or maths. That's why now I am able to speak in this. Thank you.
Thank you, Kritikesh. Next, I would like to call Balaji.
Good morning everyone, my name is K. Balaji. I am from DPSS school. I want to share an experience of playing badminton. I am playing badminton since 2 years. I have learned many things about it. Like Akka told, practice makes a man perfect, and we have to do other activities like playing, singing or dancing. Thank you, that's all I want to say.
Thank you, Balaji. Next, I would like to call Karthik.
Good morning everyone, and my name is Y. Karthik, and I am studying in St. Joseph Convent School. I want just tell about Dilip sir. He teaches me social studies and geography. In geography, he teaches me geography. Don't think like that. He teaches me also manners like truthfulness, honesty, kindness, and forgiveness, and he also tells me we have to understand everything. If we don't understand, we have to ask the question and clarify the answer. If anybody, we have to ask the question. He told me
like this. And thank you.
Thank you, Ganesh. Next, I would like to call Hitesh.
Good morning, everyone. Myself Hitesh. I am from class 10 and my school name is Frontier. And my topic is English. Why English is important for us? English is important for us when we go outside of the country. When the English is most important in our for the job opportunity. That's why in tuition, sir say that you can speak in English. Rather, you cannot speak in English. Get the 50 rupees fine. Thank you.
Nice. Next, I would like to call Karthik.
Good morning, everyone. My name is C.S. Karthik Patra and I am studying in St. Vincent Convent School. Today I want to spread about cricket. Cricket is my favorite sport. Cricket started in England. Across the world, cricket has three formats: ODI, T20 and Test. In India, more than 75% of population is fond of cricket. In India, IPL is the most famous game of cricket. And my favorite IPL team is RCB. Thank you.
Very good. See, everyone spoke really well. Initially, I was not able to speak this much also. So, they committed a lot of mistakes. By committing mistakes only, we will learn. Thank you.
So, till now you might have heard about what my students have spoke. You see, speaking is important, not the grammar, not how they are speaking. Some have mugged up the things and tried to pull them, and some have wrote sentences. I guess they are trying to remember, and they could not remember all the things. You see, if I would have given them the chance to speak in their mother tongue, they would have been speaking for long hours and non-stop, and it would be continuous. The video would be so lengthy. But when I am asking them to speak in English, what is happening is their mind is processing in their mother tongue, that's Odia, or for some people it's Telugu. First they are thinking in Odia and then they are trying to convert those sentences to English, which is again putting some effort. By regularly speaking in English, what we will do is we will automatically grab some words in our mind, and automatically you will see these people. This is the second time, I guess. Yesterday only they performed in front on the stage, and I knowingly asked them to speak today itself, because I wanted to make a habit for them to speak in English every day, so that what will happen is they'll automatically develop. Let's see how many days it takes for them to become more fluent and more easy for them to talk in English. Thank you so much.